Experience downtown living at its finest at 250 High in Columbus, a sleek, pet-friendly high-rise community that brings upscale comfort and vibrant city life together. Just steps from Columbus Commons and key university hubs. Choose from a variety of layouts: studio, 1-bed, 1-bath, 2-bed, 2-bath apartments, plus premium penthouse floor plans, each offering stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, wood-style plank flooring, in-unit washer-dryer, Nest thermostat, floor-to-ceiling windows, and private balconies designed for urban ease. Community amenities elevate life here with a rooftop terrace featuring fire pit and grilling station, fitness center, controlled access entry, bike storage, valet dry cleaning, package lockers, recycling program, attached parking garage, resident lounge, and 24/7 emergency maintenance for stress-free living. Located at 250 South High Street, you're perfectly positioned near Franklin University and Capital University. Transit is seamless with COTA Transit Terminal and South High Street and East Rich Street bus stops, plus South Charleston Station for rail access. For food and study spots, enjoy artisan coffee at Roosevelt Coffee House, cozy vibes at Fox in the Snow Cafe, or plant-based eats at Eden Burger, all within a short stroll. Ready to immerse yourself in urban university life? Book your tour and secure your spot at 250 High today at amberstudent.com.